Hello, IRONCAD can work with one part per file or 100,000 parts in a single scene file. It's very convenient and you can work faster in this way. Let's say I want to add to this file, I want to add this tank. I just drag and drop and position it with the tribal. So now I have a new tank assembly here. Instead of having lots of separate part files, it's all included in this assembly. So if I want to, I can create separate files. I can create drawings of this, but sometimes I need to create a structure. I can work like top down. I can use this way of save as part assembly to create a separate file when I want it to be a separate file. So now I have created a link, an external link file. So now this is linked to this top assembly. I don't need to do this, but I can do this to make it easier to work in a sub-assembly if I want to. And I also have an external link one level more down. And I can create a drawing on every level here. I can right click on a single part and create a drawing. Create drawing from part. I have done this here, so I can update the drawing. So this drawing do not need to have, it can have, but it doesn't need to have a separate file. For example, I can add more information. I can drag and drop the gear and electric motor here, and I can position it with the tribal, make it snap to where I want it to snap, this edge, okay, and I drag it inside this assembly in the history tree. So now it's included in this robot cell as well as on this top assembly. So whenever I modify it, it's on all levels. Okay, I can also show a great thing here is if I want to modify this without affecting the current version, I can choose unlink. So now this is in the single file again. So I can create a new version of this without any worries for affecting other already delivered equipment. So I create a special version of this one. I cut a hole here. It's not affecting this one because I have not kept the link anymore. So it's a new version here. Very easy to do this, and I can show this in the cabinet as well. I can add a thing, cable nipple here, and I can go to the drawing and I can see I need to update this, update all views. Everything is in a single file, and I just add another row in the bill of material. Super easy. So instead of having one file per part, I can keep everything in a single file. It's a very, very easy and fast way to work. And of course, I can use this as an option to drag it to a catalog. A very, very fast way to keep everything that's related together in a single file if I want to.